I just thank God for everything He is doing and what He is about to do. Y'all, I stay prayed up and I stay praying for you all, and I hope you all continue to pray for me, for my health, for my success, and I'm praying for you for the same things and more. So y'all, let's get on to this video. We are going to make this beautiful piece. My friend, she came to me and she said she needed something that she wanted on her fireplace mantle, just some decor. So I came up with this thing in my mind. She said, girl, freestyle it, do whatever you want to do. And I said, okay. So we are going to make an accent piece, 2 accent pieces that are going to go on each side of her mantle on the over the fireplace. So we're going to use these. These are some little picture frames. I already had them painted silver with Rust-Oleum paint. They came from Walmart, and they're 4x4 picture frames. These are embroidery hoops. I got these from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to use our mirror tile. I got this from dieflight.com, of course. They are so cute. And of course, we are going to use our beautiful diamond wrap. Okay, so let me just say we're going to use 5 of these. I've already did the sides of it to save time, so I'm just going to demonstrate on these 2 what I did. So all we're going to do is take our tile and we're going to cover the picture frame. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our picture frames should have turned out. We're going to use 5 of these, but I'm going to put this to the side for now. And we are going to go ahead and work with our embroidery hoops. Now, with these embroidery hoops, all we're going to do is we're going to cover them in the diamond wrap, sorry. Glam Fam, so all we have to do is put our bling wrap or our diamond wrap on the insides of it. So I just cut out 2 rows of it because it kind of matches perfectly. So I just cut out 2 rows, and I'm going to go ahead and go around, and I hope you can see this, but I'm going around the embroidery hoop on the inside. So these are the items that we're going to use, and we're going to just go ahead and glue these items together. Glam fam, so this is how they turned out. I absolutely love these because they are unique pieces. I think they're unique in the way that they shimmer, and you know how I love shimmer. You can put these on, you know, just anywhere you want a little glam accent to your, you know, place, your space or whatever. So I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.